arrival today at Westport Auto Center. Killer 62 Chevrolet Impala Resto Mod LS swap. Just nice restoration. Killer suspension, disc brake, steering, AC. Just love this car. Great stance. FiTech fuel injection. TMI interior. Just love the stance on this. Got a satin top, great top on it. Killer sound system, custom front bumper. Just a lot of customization on this. Just very nicely done. Find these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 100 pictures. Detail underneath this car is fantastic. (314-346-6039). That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Just put the pin back in the car. If you'd like to fly in, check this out in person. Be more than happy to pick you up at the airport. Forward your itinerary, Lambert, St. Louis International, one and the same. Forward your itinerary, be more than happy to pick you up, take it out for a ride, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Check out, we have quite a few classics. Quality. Just love this car. Custom sound system, custom suspension. www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. 314-346-6039. Always call this number. You see a car on this lot, call this number. That's our inventory. More than happy to answer any questions you have. Love these sill plates. Tilt wheel. AC. Center console. That's the FiTech. It's your base control. But just love this car. Take it for a spin. St. Louis International, Lambert International. They're the same airport. Just forward us your flight itinerary. Let us know when you're coming in. We're more than happy to pick you up and take you to one of our 3 warehouses.